Hey, what's up, guys? Check out this roll-up portable tool bag here. I probably got about 20 pounds of tools in this thing right now. So let me go ahead and unroll it for you. So it has these two smaller pouches up here and then four larger pouches that you can just pack full of stuff. So these top ones here, I have just various different tool or drill bits in here, screwdriver bits, flatheads, whatever I think I might need at some point. This next one in here, I mean, I've got like everything in this bag. I even have a ratchet strap in here for just in case. A couple screwdrivers down in this pouch, putty knife. This next one, I have just a ton of different sockets, various sockets in here. Yes, I should keep them organized, but I got just a bunch of common sizes of stuff with me that I might need. Same thing in this one. I have a couple more sockets that shouldn't be in there. Wrenches, ratchets. Actually, my wrenches shouldn't be in here either. So my ratchets are in here. And then this bottom one down here, I have some more wrenches, ratchets and sockets, and a set of Allens here. So it's just a ton of tools, and I still have plenty of space in here. And the zippers, just you can see how much tools I have in there and how much how much space I still have. So I'm gonna zip this back up and then roll it back up for you so you can see how easy it is to do. Okay, one thing I want to say, or one thing I want to show you before I actually roll it back up, is that you also have these holes here. This is perfect for hanging up, like if you have pegboard wall or peg somewhere and you don't want to have it rolled up at that moment, you can hang it by these holes on your pegs or screws or whatever it is. Now I'll go ahead and roll it back up. Super easy. You just grab the end, roll it over. Wow, this is heavy. All right. Then you have your clips, you lock it in place. Grab your second one, pull it over, lock it in place. And of course you can adjust depending on how much stuff you have. And you can see how much extra length I have here on this rope, or on this strap, so you could extend it out all the way to there and just, really fill that thing up. So here it is, pretty full. You have a nice handle on here. So I'm gonna take this off so you can see too. So it does have the two separate straps. I had just had it attached already, but Velcro, so you just loop it around the one handle and fold it, and it attaches to the other side for some ergonomic comfort. And then on top of it, you have another little pouch on the front here to hold some small things if needed. There's another nice little pouch on here also for like name tag or keys, something like that. So there it is, guys. This pouch holds a ton of stuff and it's super convenient for anybody doing like miscellaneous work, and you just want to have something that's ready to go, that's always ready, that you can grab, keep in your car for emergencies or anything like that. It makes it, just having a bunch of tools, feel just really compact and small and easy to carry around with you instead of a big, large, clunky toolbox. So it just holds plenty of that stuff, anything you would probably need for it in place of a big, large toolbox. So definitely love this thing, and I expect based on the quality, it will last a really long time because the canvas feels nice. So definitely like it. It's a really good product.